Borroughs Corporation is a worldwide leader in designing storage systems with advanced manufacturing capabilities. We help our customers trailblaze their respective industries in automotive, industrial, military, distribution, and retail fulfillment. The Borroughs product is more than just a sturdy structure of storage and shelving. It's about customer productivity, efficient designs, and legendary support.
So Borroughs worked with us to ensure a buildable mix with how we plan to construct the system. And they also were able to start shipping material very, very quickly, within just a couple weeks of issuing a purchase order, actually.
There are many reasons why we've been around for 70 years. Quality products, creative planning, but nothing is more important than good old-fashioned customer service.
Well, we have an infrastructure that will support the sophistication that many of our customers in one of these mega distribution center projects demand.
Borroughs designs and manufactures multi-level systems to take advantage of cubic space.
If you have Borroughs help in the design of a mezzanine system or your distribution center layout, you can actually immediately have a solution that we know we can do well, and that we can do cost effectively and then gain as much storage in that building as possible.
Distribution centers rely on the Borroughs team to build or redesign solutions that directly affect the bottom line.
The installation process when they came in 22 years ago was just as smooth as could be, and we actually moved in here between Christmas and New Year's. It took us 1 week, 40 semi-loads. And the shelves were up and ready to go, and it's actually a piece of cake.
When we sat down with Ricky and we explained our business and everything, he had some suggestions, and you know, it really has. It's main thing is with this Borroughs, it's flexible. You can adjust it for the different types of product you have in the different areas.
Borroughs is highly experienced in launching distribution centers of any size and shape. We have the widest range of storage products available and the most experienced and talented team in the industry. On average, we open the doors of a new distribution center on a monthly basis.
We were looking at about a 100% productivity improvement based on our mobile equipment. From our fastest mobile equipment to somebody on foot in the bins, just almost double. So it's a big deal to us, and the bigger chunk of our productivity that we can get out of the bins, the better off we'll be.
Borroughs stands out as unique because of its tech support team and ability to work directly with engineers during planning and implementation phases. No one in the storage industry has more tech support experience. Borroughs' proprietary Configura software provides a 3D facility walkthrough rendering, allowing the end user to see the planned system prior to manufacture and install. Borroughs' Box Edge Plus shelving structure provides a strong but highly adjustable storage system, giving you the flexibility to support a multi-level catwalk system, a full mat mezzanine, or to design other high-rise shelving configurations.
The Borroughs catwalk beams support the aisles in between the shelving on levels 2 and 3. On top of the Borroughs catwalk beams, there's a corrugated B deck.
This is what will help support the aisleway that on the second level, most of the distribution people will be basically taking their cart and walking back and forth on, picking their parts and pieces.
Borroughs' design experience in shelving and storage systems, combined with advanced design, ensures the engineering expertise that will deliver maximum ROI for you.
The name of the game is getting as many boxes as possible into that storage facility, into that room as possible. It's the revenue generator. We've done it all. We've done a lot of all of it too, so it's not something that we're intimidated by. We're actually excited by it.
We have been involved in literally hundreds of distribution centers, highly engineered systems where our pick modules are integrated with conveyors, the fire protection, the lighting, the people that work inside of them.